We're going to be doing spark plug replacement and ignition coil replacement on a 2023 Toyota Corolla. The spark plugs and ignition coils are right on top of the motor right here. We're going to start off with cylinder number 1. They are numbered 1 through 4 and they go in sequence 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to start off with removing the connector that goes to the ignition coil by pressing this little tab right here. Sometimes it gets a little bit stiff to where you need some pliers. 1 second. So if you're not strong enough to compress the clip like I am, get some pliers, gently squeeze the tab, and it pops right out. After you do that, we're going to be removing this 8mm bolt from the coil, just like that. Make sure you put this somewhere safe. Remove the coil and inspect it. Make sure there's no oil anywhere around there. If there is oil here, that means that the valve cover gasket is leaking and it's causing oil to get inside the hole where the spark plug lives. Now that we do that, put this to the side and we're going to remove the spark plug. We're going to be using a 14mm spark plug socket. These come with magnets. You put all the way in and you turn it counterclockwise and you remove the spark plug. We're going to put the spark plug back in, the brand new one. Put it in. Go ahead and tighten it by hand first, just to make sure that the spark plug is going straight. The last thing you want is to cross thread this thread, because it'll be quite a difficult challenge to get this stuff repaired if you do cross thread it. We're going to be torquing this spark plug to 15 foot-pounds. Now that the spark plug is back in, we're going to reinstall the ignition coil. Make sure it goes all the way down and is seated. Then put on your 8mm bolt and tighten that down. And you put the connector back on. Make sure it clips on like you just heard it. And you do the exact same thing on the rest of them.